Tired of juggling multiple apps and missing out on potential leads? In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly connect Aisensy with Zpho, unlocking a powerful synergy for streamlined communication and automation. Let's get started. First, log into your Aisensy account. Navigate to the integration section, usually found in the settings or profile menu. Now, look for Zpho in the list of available integrations. Click on the Zpho logo to begin the connection process. You'll typically be prompted to enter your Zpho API key. This key authorizes Aisensy to communicate with your Zpho account. To find your API key is Zpho. Log into your Zpho account and look for API settings, developer options, or integrations. Generate a new key if you don't already have one. Copy the API key from Zpho, return to Aisensy and paste the API key into the designated field. Click Connect or Save. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that Aisensy is now successfully connected to Zpho. Now, you can leverage the power of both platforms. Imagine automatically sending personalized WhatsApp messages through Aisensy based on triggers within Zpho, or automatically updating your CRM contacts within Zpho when someone interacts with your Aisensy chatbot. This integration allows you to enhance your efficiency and customer experiences by automating key communication workflows. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Aisensy with Zpho. Start exploring the possibilities and optimizing your workflow today.